Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to defragment a drive in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. The fastest way is to open the built-in Defragment and Optimize Drives tool. Click the Start button, type Defragment in the search bar, and select Defragment and Optimize Drives from the results. When the window opens, you will see a list of all the drives connected to your computer, along with the media type and the date of the last optimization. Next, select the drive you want to defragment, usually the C drive, and click Analyze to check its current fragmentation status. In my case, I recently analyzed it and it is locked, but it's no problem if yours cannot be analyzed either. After the analysis finishes, click Optimize to start the defragmentation process. The time required will depend on the size of the drive and the level of fragmentation, so let the process run without interruptions. To keep your drives optimized automatically, click the Change Settings button in the same window. Make sure the Run on a Schedule option is checked and choose the desired frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Click Choose next to Drives to select which ones should be optimized automatically, and click OK to save the changes. Your drive is now optimized and running more efficiently. Leave a comment below telling me how often you defragment your drives. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.